Welcome back, financial investors. Today, we're sinking our teeth into the mouth-watering metrics of Domino's Pizza Inc., where every slice comes with a side of stock market success. So grab a napkin, because this is going to be one tasty ride. Let's kick things off with the price-to-earnings ratio (TTM), folks. It's like the cheese to our financial pizza, coming in at a savory 34.12, slightly higher than the 5-year average of 31.82. But don't worry, we've got room for seconds. Peek through the PRFWD lens, and you'll spot a tantalizing 29.27, painting a picture of future profitability. It's like predicting the perfect pepperoni placement on your next pie. Now, buckle up for the PG ratio, clocking in at 2.22. That's the speed demon of growth potential, folks, showing us just how fast this flavor train is chugging along. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Time to uncover some insider secrets, with insider ownership at a modest 0.66%. Hey, even the most delicious recipes need to keep a few ingredients under wraps. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to launch into some stellar returns. With a return of assets of 30.83% and a return of invested capital of 72.13%, Domino's is reaching for the financial stars and landing among the pepperonis. Unfortunately, we don't have available return of equity, because it has accumulated losses from previous years, which makes the equity negative. And what's that sizzling sound? It's the earning per share cooking up at a delicious 15.32, with a side of 12.76% growth projected for the next 5 years. That's some serious dough rising in the oven. Speaking of rising dough, check out the evolution of earnings per share and free cash flow per share over the past decade. With compound annual growth rates of 19.76% and 22.45% respectively, Domino's is baking up success like nobody's business. But wait, there's more. With a dividend yield of 1.15% and a mouth-watering 19.72% dividend growth over the last 10 years, investors are getting a tasty payout alongside their favorite slice. Let's step into the kitchen and take a look at the operating margin, simmering at a flavorful 18.33%. Additionally, its profit margin stands at a healthy 11.59%. That's the secret sauce behind Domino's recipe for profitability. Now, let's slice into the evolution of revenue and earnings over the past 8 years. Despite a slight deceleration recently, Domino's has been serving up growth on a silver platter, just like their famous pizzas, obtaining a similar total return to VO during the last 5 years. And now, for a bit of mystery. With accumulated losses impacting equity, the debt-equity and long-term debt-equity ratios remain hidden in the dough. But hey, every great recipe has its secret ingredients. Hold on to your toppings, because the average price return of the last 52 weeks is a thrilling 53.84%. That's one wild ride for investors strapped into the Domino's roller coaster. Now, let's gaze into the crystal ball of analyst predictions. With an average price target of $496.77, some are forecasting a downside of 4.97%. But hold the phone, because I've got my own recipe for fair value at $411.30. Looks like this pizza might be a bit overcooked for my taste. And there you have it, folks! Domino's Pizza Inc., where every slice tells a story of financial flavor. Thanks for joining us on this mouth-watering journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!